Hi guys, so today we're going to be unbagging my October Ipsy bag. So this month's bag is called Who Says Nights Were for Sleeping. I actually liked this bag this month. I've gotten a few different things that I went ahead and did a try on for you. So first off, let me show you what the bag actually looks like. It's a red bag and it has like a mask embossed on top of it, and it's kind of a faux leather bag. It has the Ipsy little tag on top and it's just black on the inside. So it's a cute little bag this month. I'm happy with the bag. The first item I got in the bag is from Makeup Forever, and it is their Ultra HD Liquid Foundation. I got the color Y335. This actually matches me really well, as you can see in the demo. I've actually done a review on this before and I quite liked it, so I was happy to get another sample of it because it is a really nice foundation. So it says, your search for a natural looking foundation is over, which I do feel like it does feel really natural on the face, and I feel like it's not one of those ones that cakes up and doesn't look like overly like, you know, mask like on the face. It says it's a full coverage foundation. I did build it up a little bit here on the side just to cover up some of my scarring, but I feel like it's not necessary because I feel like it does a good job. I did have to use like 4 pumps of this, only because it's a small pump. So I figure if you get the big one, you might only have to use like 2. It does say to apply a dime size amount of the foundation all over the clean skin, blend all over with either a brush or with a sponge, and I went ahead and used a sponge. This has 4-star ratings on the Ipsy website, so I did like this, and I thought it was a nice foundation when I tried it out the first time, and I still think it's a great foundation now, so I'm happy to get a second one of those. The second thing I got in my bag was from First Aid Beauty. This is a Ultra Repair Cream. It says you can use it from head to toe. It absorbs quickly, which I feel like it does. You can see that in the demo. It's made with soothing ingredients like shea butter, lotus root, and white tea. It is also comfy on sensitive skin, which is what it says in the description. For me, it's just a skin type of lotion. This is one that I'll keep in my bag because I always wash my hands like on a day-to-day basis at work. So I'm happy to have this because I felt like it was super nourishing and it doesn't have a weird scent or anything like the one that I got in my Boxy Charm this month. So this one I'm super excited to have gotten. This one is a 4-star rating on the Ipsy website as well. The next thing I got in the box is a Boxy eyebrow brush. I doubt I'm saying that correctly. It says on the website that this is a stiff brush. I feel like it's not as stiff as I want it to be, but it actually did get the job done. This angled brush is fab for filling in your eyebrows, define your lid, lining your lips, or even more. So I think this is actually going to be much better to get under the eyes here when you're trying to put on some eyeshadows. I did use it on my brows, and you can see in the demo it did okay to cover my brows. It's not like a bad brush, but I feel like because it's not as stiff as I want it to be, that it didn't fill in as much as it needed to. And I did use a powder brow today. So this one is a pass for brows, but I'm sure it will do really well with maybe putting eyeshadow under the eyelid or on the lower lash line, and probably lining the lips, but I don't use anything like that for my lips. This one is a 4-star rating on the Ipsy as well. So that's really nice. I'm always happy to get new brushes to see how they work. I wasn't not satisfied with this brush, but I feel like it could have done a little bit of a better job. I just feel like the bristles might be a little bit too long for my liking. And the next thing I got is from Naked Cosmetics. So this is a really, really pretty eyeshadow. So this is a loose pigment in heavy metal He03 or Rainforest RF05. So I'm thinking I got He03. Did I get He03? Yes, I got He03. So this is really pretty. The gold is really nice. You do not need to wet the brush with this. It went on really, really nicely. I didn't have any fallout. I am used to using loose pigments like this because for many, many years I used a lot of the Bare Minerals loose pigment eyeshadows. So I wasn't uncomfortable using this at all. Let's see what it says. It says a loose powder pigment are finely milled, makes them super blendable and easy to apply, and I totally agree. These are really, really nice. Heavy Metals is a shiny, pretty topaz shade. Is this topaz? It seems more goldish to me. I guess that's topaz. And then if you were to get the other one, the Rainforest one, is a olive green. I think I have that olive green one. I've gotten another box before, so I really like it. I think it's a really nice addition to my collection. I think I will use it when I need something really shiny and gold, and I think it went on really, really nice. This is another one that is a 4-star rating on the Ipsy website. And then the last thing I got is from IBY, and it is the Radiant Glow highlighter. It looks like this in the box, and then you get the little compacts. These compacts are actually kind of cute. This is the IBY highlighting in Prosecco or Pink Pearl. I ended up getting Prosecco. So this is really nice. It's actually not too bad. As you can see, I have it on right now. I have it on as a highlighter. It doesn't accentuate my pores at all. It went on really smoothly and nicely, and I don't feel uncomfortable wearing it. I'm not a big over-the-top type of highlighter person, so trying this one on, it just makes my skin look really smooth, so I'm really happy with it. So this one also has a 4.5-star rating. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4.5-star rating on the Ipsy website. So that was everything I got in my bag this month. I quite like the things that I got this month, and I'm super excited to always get things that I can actually put to use. And with that highlighter, you can always use that as a shadow as well. If you wet your brush a little bit and then throw it on your lid, it will just be really, really shiny, or you can put it in the inner corner. Highlighters you can do a lot more with than just, you know, using it on the cheek. So I'm always happy to get those. But the brush is really nice. The lotion I'm super excited about. I enjoy that foundation, and the eyeshadow, this Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow. This is a beautiful eyeshadow, so I'm excited to get that. If you guys enjoyed this try-on kind of bagging, let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag for the month of October, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week.